নমস্কাৰ আজি ভিডিঅ'টোৰ বিষয়বস্তু হৈছে হাউ টু ইম্প্ৰুভ ৰিডিং আৰু আমি কিছুমান পৰম্পৰাগত পদ্ধতিৰ পৰা আঁতৰি নতুন পদ্ধতি অৱলম্বন কৰিছোঁ অভিজ্ঞতা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকে বৰ্তমানে আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত দীপশিখা চুতীয়া ক্লাছ 2ৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট বয়স 7 বছৰ তাই যিকোনো আনচিন পেছেজ পঢ়িব পাৰে আৰু আজি আমি তাইক পঢ়িব দিছোঁ শিক্ষামন্ত্ৰী মহোদয়ে টেক্সট বুকত যিটো মেছেজ দিছে সেইটো পঢ়া দীপশিখা
Message. Textbooks are the key components of scholastic education. Students gain knowledge that flows through the pages of the textbooks. Students enriched with knowledge are the wealth and future of our state as well as our nation. The renaissance of human civilization had been influenced by education only. With this realization and foresight, the present government has accorded the highest priority to the development of the educational sector in the state. The present state government, in a bid to complement the untiring efforts of the student community to achieve success and fulfill one's ambition and contribute to the welfare of the state, has been implementing various educational assistance programs under Program Bharati. Under this program, free textbooks are being distributed to the students from pre-primary class 1 to class 12, which is now extended up to degree level since 2020. The benefits have been further augmented by waiving admission fees for the students of secondary and degree level. The state government has also waived examination fees at the secondary level for the students from the economically weaker section. Free uniforms are also being provided to the students up to the high school level. Under the Anandaram Bora Award Scheme, free laptops and at times substituted with cash rewards are being provided to meritorious students who excel in the examinations.
হ'ব thank you